Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, is continuously improving its digital systems to make it easier for taxpayers to pay their obligations. Chris Hidreda of PIA Calabarzon tells us more.
Federico is a business owner who regularly pays his taxes. He is now one of many clients of the BIR who utilize the online platforms in accomplishing their dues.
Mas convenience yung gano'n kasi dinahassle ang pagpunta pa doon, pipila, kukuha ka ng number, gano'n. Through online na lang, gano'n. Kaya mas mabilis ang proseso.
Following the mandate of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to digitize government processes, BIR promotes the usage of its electronic platforms to make tax filing, tax payment, online registration, updating of records, and submission of income tax returns more convenient.
All these were necessary for the BIR to provide excellent services to the taxpayers, to provide excellent services which will translate to higher voluntary compliance and ultimately increase in tax collections.
System enhancements are underway according to BIR to make their platforms more user-friendly and easier to use.
Nakaasa ko kayo na marami pa pong magiging improvements sa aming systems and yung ating digital transformation na ginagawa. Bagamat hindi pa yan ready ngayon, but again, we're working very hard to deliver this to you at sa mga darating na panahon.
Commissioner Lumagi adds that they continue to improve the digital platforms of BIR to achieve the full digitization by 2028. From PIA Calabarzon, Chris Hidreda, Balitang Pambansa.